Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've whipped up some French toast. Now I know you want to stay tuned for this, but just in case, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? We've got loads of this delicious goodness cooking up in my kitchen. Just click that bell and stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Now you know we don't do anything plain around here. It's got to have flavor. So I will leave a full list of all that's been used in the description box. Now I'm just going ahead now and just slicing up that brioche.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me.
Now once I've made slices, I'm just going to go ahead now and section the bread into 3 to just give me some sticks. Now once that's done, I'm just going to add some flavor to my egg mix, and I'm just going to give it a good old mix.
Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you.
Now I did 2 different ways. For those who like their bread really eggy, you can go ahead and put your bread in the egg, then take it out. But I find this really eggy, so but I just done it this way for all of you who likes your bread really eggy. Now I cooked these on each side for about 5 minutes just to make sure the middle of the bread is really cooked. Now what I did do as well is just use my fork just to squash down the bread a little bit, just to flatten it, to just ensure that it's properly cooked.
What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty.
Now once these are done, I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them on like a cooling rack. Don't put them down flat in a container because they'll just get soggy. Now the other way that I did them was literally just to dip them into the egg wash, literally a few seconds, and then I'm gonna put it in the butter. Now these ones I fried for about 3 to 4 minutes. I would say more, 3 minutes on each side. But what I did do with these ones, because they were a lot thicker, because I didn't squash these ones, was I turned them onto the sides to make sure that the middle is again cooked, as you'll see as you see what I'm doing there. Now guys, throughout all of this, you need to make sure that you have a medium to low heat throughout. Guys, I'm just gonna serve this up now with just a little bit of honey, because that's what I like, and some fresh fruit. Now you can put whatever syrup like you want on it, or you know what, they're just delicious on their own, but I do like mine with a little bit of, you know, just to see it through. Just sprinkle now with a little bit of icing sugar just to make it all pretty.
You've been lying, saying that I took away
And there you have it, guys. An easy to follow French toast recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I thank you for coming back. If you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen. And remember, as always, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thank you so much for coming.